Okay, so I'm under the gun because I'm going out of town. I was tasked with making something for the boys, so I've had to speed up here. 1, 2, 3 eggs. We're making our cinnamon rolls, even though they're on the channel. I'm under pressure. I'm under pressure to get this done because it's a 2-hour drive, and the boys are gonna want them. All these guys up there want these with their morning coffee after a night of drinking. So I started right now. You'll see I'm whisking up my buttermilk. I put in 3 eggs. I put in my butter, and I'm mixing it really quick. What I've done is I put the eggs in hot water to speed up the process. I need a pinch of salt. Now, pinch. Where's my sugar? Okay, I've got, oh boy, I'm supposed to do a 1/2 cup. Okay, I think that was about a 1/2 cup or so. All right, mix that in. Can you see that? I hope you can see that. Oh my goodness, I've got all my ingredients everywhere. Where's my 1 cup sugar? I mean sugar. Oh, I've got flour, I've got cornstarch here. I need a couple of cornstarch. One. That's about 2/3 of a cup, I think. I missed that. Jeez, vanilla. Okay. I've only got one eye working properly right now. Eye doctor's telling me. Anyways, that's a long story, but I can only see out of this eye. The other eye, not so much yet. Okay, we've mixed that in. That's looking okay. Good. Okay, I'm gonna switch from the whisk. Where's my, there it is. I need 4, geez, I hope my memory is 4 cups of flour, I think. 1, 2, geez, 3. Hey, what's that? 4. I need some. What did I just use this for? Shoot, I think I put in too much vanilla. Did I put in 2 scoops? I think I did. Damn it, I think it's 2 scoops of my yeast. 1, 2, a little bit. Did I get everything on my, yeah, I did. Okay, so mix that around right now, okay? I'm gonna mix it, and then I gotta get into the hand kneading once this is mixed, okay? I should have moved some stuff out of the way. I'm lucky that I've got my mix already done for the inside, the filling. That's cinnamon, brown sugar, white sugar. That's already good. Okay, good. So we're mixed there. I need space. I need more space. Come on, Drew. Come on. What do we need here? Let's move this guy. Okay, flour. Let's move this guy. Okay, I'm gonna transfer this dough right to that flour because we're all mixed up. There we go. Boom. A little bit more, get them all. It's gonna be a bigger cleanup, but anyway, now we're gonna knead this. So we've talked about showing you kneading before until you get everything in there, okay? We're just gonna fold and punch, fold and punch. Make sure you bring everything together though. And I'm trusting that you had already cleaned your counter before you started doing this. I'm really hoping right now that I've used the right ingredients. It feels a little dry to me. I'm either gonna have a home run with the boys or I'm gonna strike out and then just hope they drank enough that they won't know the difference. I've got a little bit of probably doing a no-no right here, right there. But you know what? It's a little bit of butter. I probably didn't measure the flour properly because I was rushing it so much, but that's okay. Okay, we're not going to over knead this, so that's good. That's really good, actually. I'm actually kind of surprised. Okay. Whew. Uncle Drew is getting a Friday night workout. Okay, guess what we got to do now? That's all mixed together really well. It's got anything else that we might have missed? Oh, the boys are eating it. Okay, I'm gonna stick this back in the bowl. Whew, not bad. Give a little bit of a cleanup. We're gonna let this set rise for 20 to 30 minutes. I'm gonna roll it flat. I'm gonna add my filling once I lightly butter it with my melted butter. Then I'm gonna roll it up like a cigar. Should be a big cigar roll. I'm gonna take my pan, cut them, boom, 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 line them all up, wrap it, then I'm good to go. Woo! Boom! Is it right here? Cover it. Damp towel. Just leave it.
Okay, so you'll see now the cinnamon dough is ready. I'm going to slice it into 2 equal pieces. I'll have 2 separate balls of dough to work with. I'm going to lightly flour my cooking surface and my rolling pin along with the dough itself. First, I'm going to knead it out by hand into a little disc. And then once that is done, once I've kneaded that out into that disc, I'll use my rolling pin. I'll push away and pull towards me. I'll go the other way as well. And I pull out a tape measure here just for a little bit of humor, of course. But ideally, I'd like to make this out into a rectangle. One last check here. I'd like it just a little bit thinner. Once that's done, I'm going to take my melted butter with a brush and I'm simply going to brush my cinnamon dough. Give it a little bit of a glaze and move on to the next step. So I've already pre-sifted my filling in here, which is a mixture of brown sugar, granulated white sugar, and cinnamon. But I've pre-sifted and now I'm sifting again while I'm adding this on. It's very fine while it's going on to the dough. Okay, so once our cinnamon dough is covered with the filling, we're going to proceed to roll this. Roll it tight like a cigar or a crepe. I'll start at one end, be careful not to break it, and then just slowly roll it. I'll turn it sideways here so you can see it a little bit better, and we'll keep rolling until it's nice and tight. Then we're going to have to make sure we pinch the ends to seal everything in, and I'm even going to take my brush with a little bit of butter and brush the seal again, which is going to help seal everything up and give it a little bit of brownness, a golden brown when it's baking. So I've gone ahead and I finished the second ball of dough as well. I'm going to finish off brushing both of these rolls with a little bit of butter, a little bit of added flavor, but almost acting like a little bit of a sealer as well. When we go to slice these, let's try and slice them in equal size pieces. They can be about 1 inch in thickness. If they are not perfectly equal size, don't worry about that. We're going to be laying them flat inside of our baking tray, which we're going to line with some parchment paper. And once we've lined up all the cinnamon rolls, we're going to be able to use our spatula. You'll see here in a couple of seconds, we'll use our spatula to press everything down, give them a light little tap, and that way we're going to make them basically all the same height, or as close to the same height as possible. They'll have equal baking time, and then once we take them out of the oven, we'll be able to brush them with some melted butter once again. That will act as a glaze. Let's just move that excess parchment paper out of the way so you can get a great look over here at the finished product. Okay, since I'm taking these away with me up to a guy's weekend, I have to prepare my frosting and be able to take that up north with me. So don't worry about writing down the recipe. I'll have that all in the description for you. Basically here what I'm doing is I'm adding in some cream cheese, powdered sugar, a little bit of cinnamon, and some more brown sugar as well. I've got a great mixture here for the entire cinnamon roll. I'll put it in the blender. We'll give that a quick pulse once I add in this powdered sugar over here and get it to a nice thick consistency so it'll melt directly into the cinnamon rolls later on. This was fairly early in the morning, so Uncle Drew needed his morning coffee, and every minute seemed like it was operating in slow motion for me today.
All right, so which remote?
These smell delicious.
You boys are gonna love them.
Okay, so our cinnamon rolls are now out of the oven. I'm brushing them with some butter, giving them a nice glaze. You'll notice I've changed environments. I'm now up north at the Guys Weekend. I didn't think cinnamon rolls would mix well with beer and vodka, but apparently they do.
Cream cheese and
Here comes our frosting, the cream cheese and sugar. I'm going to go ahead and pour this over the entire tray of cinnamon rolls, fill in every crack and crevice possible, and then I'm going to use my brush. And my brush is like an artist. I'm going to fill in everything. I'm going to paint my masterpiece so the guys can really enjoy these. They smell delicious. The aroma from these cinnamon rolls was permeating throughout the entire house, and the guys were really pressing me to get them done. They wanted to attack these, and I don't blame them because they just smelled fantastic. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe, and share Uncle Drew's channel. More of these great recipes are always coming your way. Let me know if there's something specific you'd like me to make. And these are not done yet. I'm going to slice them. I'm going to take a few out of the tray. But then, of course, if there wasn't enough sugar already, I'm going to sprinkle some more cinnamon and sugar directly over the cinnamon rolls and give some more added sweetness to these. Hope you enjoy. Once you give these a try, put a comment down there. I'd love to know how they turned out for you. Until next time, enjoy these delicious sweet treats.